Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 82 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. So today, guys, I'm noticing it, day 82. It's definitely a day where I'm super tired. Like, I feel like giving up, I was like contemplating, like, should I just continue? Should I just stop? I really felt like stopping. And it's not that I've lost my drive for code. It's just that today was an insane day at work. For those of you who don't know, I have two jobs, right? And my second job is working as a baker. So you can imagine working as a baker on a Sunday where most stores are closed. Yeah. So it was just hectic, It was hectic, and right now I just feel exhausted. So what I was thinking of today was to just like, because on this course or this app that I got, we've got like flashcards and we've got random challenge mode. So I'm thinking of trying random challenge mode, and then we are going to see how much we have learned, right? So let's try it out. Okay, so our first challenge: define your own arrow function. So in this challenge, you're asked to write the sum function from scratch as an arrow function. And by the way, I forgot to say that sometimes it's good to do these random challenges just to see how much I memorize, and also I should actually do this every day, just to get like a good a good flush of JavaScript. So let's get it. So we forgot the arrow. Okay guys, so in this challenge we are gonna do nutrition table 1, or yeah. So it's very common in JavaScript to return a string that represents some HTML code. In fact, we'll be doing this quite often in the DOM chapters. So string interpolation comes in handy here because it supports multi-line strings and interpolation. So complete the function render table such that it returns the following HTML. Okay, so here we have visualize reduce sum. I recently did this one, so there are no tasks and no tests in this challenge. So all we have to do is just visualize the console the value of total, current, and finally sum, right? So this is how reduce works, and as you guys can see, we have the total. Total is the amount of is the amount that we are adding, and then current is for each value here, right? Like the current value, and then we have we adding them, and we are getting the sum. Right, so total is like after you have added, right? So it's gonna go 10, 5, 15, and current is the current item or number. And the last one, as you guys can see, total is 30 because 10 plus 5 is 15, and then 15 plus 15 is 30, right? And then you have the current, which is the last, that's going to be the last number, and then you plus them together, you get the sum. So to-do list. So complete the function get count to do such that it returns the number of to-dos. So here we have okay, so here we need to use a string method. I don't, because I know there was a way to turn, because right now we are getting strings, but we need to put them in an array, and we need to separate them or join them or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, we don't need to return here. We just wanna also log. Yeah, that is for splice. That's not, what am I doing? Yeah, it's counting numbers. We need to like, I forgot. Let's look it up. Split. Okay. So I meant split. So you guys see what I mean? Like when you do code, sometimes you know, like I knew what I wanted to do, but I forgot the name. And I was like, separate? Oh, split. So So I think we need to split it, and we need to like by the word, and then we can use length. Yeah, we have 3 items, all right? 1. So I don't know why we're getting that, but we're getting undefined. Oh, we need to return. Alright, so here we have odd years. So complete the function get odd years such that it returns all the years that are odd from the years it receives. We know that 2020 was an odd year, but the number 2020 is even. So what I'm thinking is that we're going to, because odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by getting called. So even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2, right? So when you divide the even number by 2, you will get 0 reminder, right? But if you do with odd numbers, you're always going to have 1. Like, you're always going to be 1 there. So let's get it. So yeah, here we have to get the odds. So if years by 2 equals the return year. Oh, it's an array, so we need to loop. So years for each year. And we also need to return this. No, we don't need to do that. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I have it there. What am I doing? Okay, let me try again. Okay, so we have an array, right? We don't. I mean, we can use map because we don't want to do something to the number. We just want to. I mean, we want to do something with the array. Years map year. No, we don't want to do that. We want to. Yeah, we're getting that. I don't want to. I just want to get the. Filter? Of course, filter. I don't know what I'm doing, man. Oh my god. So we want to, let me read the question. So we want to, it returns all the years that are odd. So we need to check, we need to check each year, right? We need to filter out. So that's what I'm doing. Years, filter, year. I'm tripping, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Did I forget? I feel like I'm forgetting something, right? Because I know years filter, right? Year. For each year, we want to check if year is divided by 2 equals 0. Oh my god, this is what I'm telling you guys. Like when you're tired and you, for the love of God, I can't figure out why I'm doing. You just want to check. That's what I fucking did. Yeah, this is probably the first video where I'm like I'm just so fucking exhausted, guys, but you guys know what it is. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the solution. Let's look at the solution, guys. See what it says. All right. So that's it, guys. I'm kind of pissed today, but I gotta upload, right? So extremely tired, but I know it's not an excuse. And I'm just not feeling good today, man. I'm not feeling good. So I just wanted to. I honestly just uploaded just because it's a habit. Have to, but I don't want to be here right now. I just want to go to bed, to be honest. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.